Welcome back, Curry Crew. Today we have another delicious Indian, Chinese, Mexican fusion recipe for you. Now, a lot of you told us how much you liked our chili paneer recipe, how much you liked our chili paneer nanini recipe. So this time we are making a chili paneer quesadilla. Now, we did chili paneer mac and cheese as our last fusion. Now we're doing a chili paneer quesadilla, which also is going to turn out to be amazing. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into our recipe. We're going to interrupt your video right now just to let you know that we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. So if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button down there so that you can watch all of the new videos that we post every week. We're going to post 2 videos every week. You want to make sure you see those recipes. So click subscribe and then punch that notification bell so you know when the videos come out. And now, back to your video. So, for our India meets China meets Mexico recipe, the first thing we need to do is make our chili paneer that will eventually go inside our quesadilla. So step 1, we're going to take a pan and we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of oil onto the pan and allow it to heat up over low to medium heat. Once the oil is hot enough, into this we're going to add in 2 to 3 cloves of garlic that have been finely minced and a 1-inch piece of ginger that has also been finely minced. Along with this, we will also add in 1 habanero, or you can use any other type of chili that you want. Just adjust based on your desired spice level. Give it all a quick saute, and then once the garlic starts to turn golden brown, into the pan we're going to add in half of a large onion that has been diced, or roughly 1 cup. We will give it all a nice mix, and we will saute our onion for a few minutes or until they start to become translucent and a bit softer. Once the onions are ready, into our pan will go half a cup of chopped bell peppers or capsicum, and we don't want to overcook our bell peppers since we still want them to retain their crunch. So after a minute, we can then move on to the next ingredient. So now we've already prepared our chili paneer gravy, but if you want the full recipe on how to make that chili paneer gravy or chili paneer in general, you can check out our chili paneer video in the description below. Give it all a nice mix, and once that is done, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of paneer that has been cut into cubes. Now, we're using our homemade paneer, so if you want to learn how to make paneer at home, it's super simple, super easy. You can check out our recipe in the description below. Give it all a nice mix, and we're going to let the gravy simmer for about 5 minutes so that it can thicken up. After 5 minutes, we're going to add in our cornstarch slurry. That's going to help thicken our chili paneer gravy. So take 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and mix it with 3 teaspoons of water and give it a nice mix before adding it into the dish. Give it 1 or 2 more minutes and then give it one final mix and our paneer should thicken up and come together. Let it simmer for a while and then our chili paneer is done. We can set it aside and begin working on our quesadilla construction. So take a flat skillet and onto this we're going to first heat up our flour tortilla on both sides for about 30 seconds. Once that is done, we're going to place a small layer of cheese on 1/2 of the tortilla. Now I'm using an Indian Amul cheese and it's kind of like a white cheddar. Then onto this, we're going to add in 2 to 3 spoonfuls of our chili paneer that we made. And then we're going to add in another layer of delicious cheese. Last but not least, we're going to top with some fresh spring onions. And then we're going to fold over the other half of the tortilla onto the filling to close your quesadilla. We're now going to cook both sides of your quesadilla until it is golden brown and the cheese begins to melt and hold all of the filling together. Once both sides of the quesadilla are golden brown like so and nice and crispy on the outside, we can remove the quesadilla from the stove and allow it to cool down for a minute or so before we cut into it. And there we have our quesadilla, guys. It looks awesome with the melty cheese and the delicious spicy chili paneer on the inside. My mouth is watering so much by just looking at it, so let's not waste any more time, let's dig right in. So guys, here we have our amazing quesadilla. It smells so good. I am going to dig right in. I can see the cheese already oozing out. Oh my God, guys. This is amazing. It is so delicious. You have the amazing chili paneer in there. You have the cheese oozing out. Crispy tortilla on the outside. Oh my God.
It's so hot, but I can't stop eating it because of how delicious it is. So, before I eat this entire thing on camera, you guys definitely need to try this out for yourself. Let us know how much you love it, because I know you will. It's so delicious that anybody who tries it is going to fall in love. So you definitely need to try this for yourself. Let us know how it turned out for you, how much you love it. And we're on the road to 1,000, so make sure you subscribe and share and keep on cooking.